I came across this issue in Premiere Pro where when I was editing some 4K footage, as you can see here, that it's by 30, 80, 40 by 2160, that when I put it to 100, it doesn't seem to be scaling up as expected. As you can see, my display resolution is also 3080 40 by 2160, so technically this should take up the whole screen, but it doesn't. The reason why this happens is because of the scaling. I guess there's some miscommunication between the window scaling and to Premiere Pro, causing an issue with how the previews look. So to simply fix this, you have to set this back to 100. So I have to log out. Now we're going to open up Premiere again. And now you'll see the footage is the actual size of the screen. Even when I press Alt tilde, no, Control tilde key, it actually fits the whole screen nicely. And you can actually inspect it like for noise or sharpness and focus and all that. So we put it to fit, it's going to fit into the screen, put back to 100, it's going to be the actual size. So if you're wondering why your 4K footage is not as big as it looks, consider checking out the window scaling for the issue.